Good morning, dear viewers. I'm Mohliko Rahimzoda, and this is ITEC newscast from Kolkata, which is begin broadcast live from Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute studio. We begin our news from Shantiniketan, more specifically from a unique market where people create and sell handmade clothes and various accessories. Ramshia market is open only on Saturday, and people from different parts of Kolkata and West Bengal came here for shopping. Let's take a look at our story for more details. During our trip to Shantiniketan, we visited the Ramshia market, where people sell handmade clothes, jewelry and gifts. Here the variety of design of women's jewelry bewitched me because many of the patterns were very beautiful and very similar to the pattern of the women's jewelry of my country, Tajikistan. The selection was very large, and we were told that the things that are here cannot be found in another place because they are unique in their own way. But when I saw a swastika in a woman's dress, I was very surprised and started asking about that.
You can see that symbol of swastika which the Nazis used, but actually it's an auspicious symbol from Hinduism. For any ceremony like housewarming or marriage, this symbol will be drawn. This is a symbol for peace, a symbol for universal peace, and also so the family is protected. So it's an auspicious symbol as per our culture, in the Bengali culture.
It turned out that the swastika for Hindus is not only a beautiful pattern, but is associated with religion and means good luck, prosperity, abundance and eternity. But for the inhabitants of Central Asia, swastika is associated with Adolf Hitler and the Second World War. As the flag of Nazi Germany was depicted swastika and became a symbol of violence, murder and cruelty. The Second World War, which lasted 5 years, caused huge damage not only in the Soviet Union but also in the whole world. Only in the Soviet Union died 26,600,000 people, and the economic loss amounted to $610 billion. And in Germany died about 4.5 million people, and the financial loss amounted to $300 billion. About Hitler, fascist Germany and swastika in their flag was writing books and filmed many documentaries and feature films.
The Indian culture, it certainly became a sign of good luck and hope. The Nazis then turned that around. I mean, they physically reversed the swastika, and of course then it became a symbol of evil. And that's really problematic because in our culture it's evil, but you see it over in Asia and of course it's not. And should it be banned here? That's contextual. Obviously it shouldn't be banned in a particular sort of temple, but you might, if you choose, want to ban it, let's say, at a political rally. What happened under the swastika will become ancient history.
The swastika was used as a positive and powerful symbol thousands of years before Second World War in many cultures and continents. For Hindus and Buddhists in India and other Asian countries, the swastika was important for many thousands of years, and to this day the symbol can still be seen in abundance of temples, bases, caps and books covers. It was also used in ancient Greece and Rome and can be found in the remains of the ancient city Troy, which existed 4,000 years ago. Still, with thought of swastika and its meaning of different cultures and civilization, we continued our journey at Ramshia market in Shantiniketan and started buying handmade jewelry for our loved ones as a souvenir and a good memory from India. What pleasured us more was that the people here continued to use the swastika as a symbol of goodness and abundance. Chakan national embroidery on cotton and silk fabrics most popular among Tajik women and girls. It's an important part of the outfit of the bride and groom. Grooms decorate their crown, goes with small embroideries. The art of Chakan is passed down from generation to generation. The word Chakan has been explained by the most authoritative ancient dictionaries and originated from Zoroastrianism. In Tajikistan, we have a large selection of Chakan clothing for the bride and groom. Now we take short commercial break, and after which, well, have a look at the weather forecasts. Welcome back, dear viewers. You're watching ITEC News. Recently, temperatures have been rising in Kolkata and last week. Our weatherman Surabsho Davlatzoda will be telling us what to expect over the next 3 days. Please take it away, Surabsho.
Thank you, Mohliko. Dear viewers, welcome and let's take a look this week's weather in Kolkata. Yesterday the temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. Today the peak temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow the temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius. Viewers, that was all from the weather desk. Have a blessed day. Over to you, Mohliko.
Thanks, Surabsho, for that weather update. It's time now for our panel discussion, and this morning we have in studio Malvina Khushqadamova. Ms. Malvina is a historian and she will tell us about the history of pattern and design that were used to decorate Chakan, especially women's clothing. Hi Malvina, welcome. Tell us please about what makes unique Chakan 4 centuries till today.
Hello and thank you, Mohliko. Yes, Chakan is a national pattern in Tajikistan and we use it on our clothes. And at the first, Aryan people used only the cross on their clothing. And after that, over time, it improved and the patterns appeared as a circle. And circle represented a sun. And sun is symbol of light and warmth and evergreen flowers and expression of loyalty and respect for one's homeland. And also there is one flower and it is we call kosagul in Tajik language, and it is the main pattern of Chakan. And all this evidence that the background and various aspects of Chakan patterns are related to sun worship of Iranians.
Thank you. Let's talk about the Chakan, which call it chodar, and it's held above bride's head during the wedding ceremony.
Yes, Chakan also we use on our clothes and also on chodars, and these chodars used on weddings over the head of groom and bride. And it's also the respect that we give to the sun. As we said, the circle is symbol of or represented a sun symbol of love, and also the warmth that also we need for our family.
Oh, thank you so much. It was very enjoyable and interesting discussing with Ms. Malvina Khushqadamova the history of pattern and design of women dress Chakan, which is very important part of the Tajik wedding tradition. For more news, watch our subsequent edition and Of course, you can also watch the same broadcast on our website, www.itecnews.com, and on our social page, on digital media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day. Bye.